Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for dropshipping business. So let's get into it. The first thing you can do to benefit from ChatGPT with your dropshipping business is product research. Log in to chat.openai.com/chat. For example, we will sell Valentine's Day products. So all I have to ask it is, what are some good products I can drop ship for Valentine's Day? Now it's going to start giving niches that I can literally sell. Here are some ideas: personalized gifts, flowers, chocolate, and candies, romantic home decor, lingerie and intimate apparel, and gift baskets. So it will give you a general list of things. Let's type in what exact products can I sell for personalized gifts that can be sourced on AliExpress for Valentine's Day. Now it will pull a lot of different products that we can actually sell. Some personalized gift ideas are engraved jewelry, photo gifts, customized phone cases, personalized love coupons, engraved wooden keepsakes, and personalized love letters. That's one use case for ChatGPT with dropshipping and how you can actually benefit from it. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.